If you've been waiting for a location, we might have the one for you. I'm right here in St. Joe Beach today at 123 Pineda Street. What does that mean for you? We're in the first block of St. Joe Beach, so the beach is right there. But I want to talk about the property that we've listed here because this has so many possibilities that might be the right fit for you. Number one, they have cleared this entire lot, so it's all gravelled. They've invested in all the pavers that are here, so this is a nice gathering area. It's nice and dry. They've built this entire infrastructure here. Now in St. Joe Beach, you cannot have an RV within a mile of the Gulf, but you can have a Zone 3 wind load mobile home that could be put in this spot. You can have a modular home. That's another possibility for this spot. Or you could build it out. They did build this structurally, the seller said, to be able to build a home here. Now it's in the AE flood zone, so you'll need to be 2 feet above base flood to the bottom board of the house, but they've thought of all the things. I mean, they even have gutters right here. They have a shed in the back that is so super cute. They have all of the wind sails up, so they know where all the sun's coming in, so they can keep it nice and shaded. You get this cool breeze coming right off of the Gulf here. You can see the trees moving now. So it's nice and breezy here. They've got a spot to park your boat. They have a storage shed in the back that has its own shaded area, an entire fire pit area that's all gravelled back there. So you've got great drainage on this property and lots of opportunity. So if this looks like something that you might be interested in and it could work for you, comment Live the Beach Life below. Let us know what you're thinking and we'll help you out. Make a good decision on it and we'd love to show it to you. So share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.